And in fact, actually, just playing around with this frequency dial is making me think that introducing some movement to this sound might be quite interesting. I'm going to try that. Here I've got an opportunity to introduce some modulation. I can press this button here and choose a rhythm. And what I'm going to do is to set a rhythm up over 2 bars. And what I'm going to do is to use this sine wave shape so that the sound rises and falls. And then what we can do is to use the mod dial here to introduce how much of that we want to hear. I've soloed this sound, so this effectively is introducing this modulation into the frequency dial. Now again, I don't want this loop to be really loud. What I'm effectively wanting to do is just to bring a little bit of detail really from something which is quite bright into something which feels a little bit more chesty and then back up again. Again, for now these settings are working nicely. Anything could happen to this sound between now and the end of the production, but it's just providing a little bit of extra vibe.